Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Yolee's Choice. It's a new gardening year, and of course, we have to start. And I'm gonna start much earlier this year. Today is March 23rd, and it's a beautiful day. So let's go take a little tour of what's gonna be the new garden season for me. So I've gotten all some of my pots here. Those was last year. They didn't make it, but this year we're gonna do something else. So let's go take a look at the yard and what we are gonna be doing for the season. I am super excited to get back out here again in nature. What I love to do. Alright, so we're gonna head into the greenhouse. Last year we put it up. I'm gonna eventually pull up everything that's in there, but I don't really want to disturb it because I want to see what's gonna volunteer and come back. So let's take a look at what's out here. So these are the cabbage and the kale from since last year. As you can see, the kale is actually coming back, which is thing, and also the cabbage. I'm gonna cut off all of these dead leaves and give it a chance and see what's gonna happen. I'm not gonna pull up anything yet. Season is still young. We'll just see what happens. Okay, over here we have dinosaur kale, which also came back, which is doing really good. But this is like a broccoli here, so we have a few dinosaur kales that has returned. Even the broccoli, I have some broccoli that I'm going to pick. I'm going to steam them. I'm going to leave the top one so that it can go to flower. And yeah, but I'm going to pick all these little side shoots. The strawberries, let's give them some sun. Yeah, see, the strawberries are already shooting up. So we will clean this up, clean this up and add more strawberries to this beautiful strawberry bed that I have here. Those are all my pots. I'm gonna replant and see what grows this year. Let's go inside the greenhouse. Let's get it open first. I'm gonna have to probably water some of these things in here because now it's getting hot. Ooh, because it is steaming hot inside here. This is my lemon tree. I'm gonna water it and hopefully give it some fertilizer and stuff and see what happens. Boy, it's hot. It's so hot inside there. Ooh, it is hot. It is hot. As you can see, I didn't pull anything up last year. I left everything, so I will pull up everything and then we get to see what is going to volunteer themselves up. I'm gonna water this bed. The blueberries, as you can see, is doing their thing. Let's see about the fig too. Okay, I think everybody needs a drink of water. The oregano is still here. Yeah. Carrots, they're still there. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna give everybody, these three here, some water. Give them some water. And we're gonna pull up all the dead stuff. Because then I'm gonna go buy some. But yeah, this is the garden. And we will transform it by summer. So I hope you come on the journey. Okay, so I have pulled up everything from in the bed. I haven't really disturbed the soil much. I just pull up everything. So.